had an issue in the 70s in power plant in Strutt. Everything in their system was good to go, except they had one fire cover that needed to be replaced, but they wanted it to be replaced without having to take apart the entire system. The problem was that they had two large units on either side, so installation was near impossible. They turned to us to see if we might be able to help, and told us that if we could design a solution for them where they could install a fire cover without having to take everything apart, they would test it and place an order. We took up that challenge and designed this part. It's a wrapped duct, and it simply unrolls for easy installation and rolls right back up again, and then is either clamped or bonded directly to the surface. Well, they said there is no way this was going to work. They said the FAA for sure wouldn't approve it. It leads to a fire path. It was just not going to be useful to them. But we convinced them to just give it a try, put it through the test, and they did, and found that it in fact does not create a fire path. It is an FAA-approved labyrinth seal. And we've used this design over the years to solve lots of tricky installation problems. Because let's be honest, if you have a fixed unit and you need it to be insulated against heat or flame, wouldn't you rather have a solution that doesn't require you to take apart the whole thing? If you're an engineer who's ever worked on an application that could have used a labyrinth seal, tell me about it in the comments below.